Here I have OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the additional settings and then to the accessibility. Then switch to the vision, and here you can find TalkBack. So here you can enable it, and after you enable it, tutorial starts immediately.
Gestures for certain features are now disabled. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack.
So like,
Page 1 of 5.
this tutorial is really
Close
interesting,
button.
but we can skip it.
Double
I'm
tap to
gonna
activate.
explain it to you much faster. So the TalkBack is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems who can't really see contents on the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on the screen. So for example, if you tap on some sign or some button, this section gets spoken out loud.
Welcome to TalkBack. Page 1 of 5. Talk. Close button. Double tap to activate.
So as you could hear, when you're in this mode, to operate, to activate any button, you have to double tap on it. But it works the way that you firstly have to select this button, then this section gets spoken out loud, and then you can double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm it.
Close tutorial.
Close.
Allow Android accessible. Double tap to activate. TalkBack.
So for example, if you want to
Navigate up
disable
button.
TalkBack, you tap on
TalkBack.
switcher,
On.
double
Turn on
tap,
TalkBack.
stop,
Stop.
please. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.